Sending and tracking your Brighte Green Loan and Brighte Personal Loan referrals on the go has never been so easy through Brighte's vendor app. From the home screen, select New Application, followed by either the Brighte Personal Loan or the Brighte Green Loan, depending on the product and service you offer. From here, you must agree that you have obtained the customer's consent to give Brighte their contact details. You haven't and won't give financial advice about the Brighte Green Loan or Brighte Personal Loan. And you won't assist the customer in completing the application. This is a regulated product and the customer must complete the application alone. Also, be sure to let your customer know if you are receiving a fee or benefit for referring their details to Brighte. After selecting Agree and Continue, enter in your customer's purchase total, deposit amount, product category, and a few personal details. Please note, when entering in total purchase and deposit amounts, repayment figures are not calculated. Your customer will choose their own term and matching repayment amount. Once you select Send Referral, your customer will receive an SMS and email with information on how to proceed with the application. Once they have completed the application, we will begin the assessment. Brighte notifies you and your customer once a decision has been made within 1 to 2 business days. For more information on the Brighte Green Loan or Personal Loan, visit our website brighte.com.au/partners or give us a call on 1300 274 448. 1300 Brighte with an E. You can also drop us a line by emailing customer support@brighte.com.au.